think our project addressed the basic need of shedding light into a widely underreported aspect of border violence at European borders, which is sexualized forms of power abuse and humiliation towards people on the move, towards migrant people. Because we had read a couple of scarce reports on the press on such instances, for example, forced undressings or intrusive genital body searches. But we thought that a more sort of thorough investigation into such practices was lacking. So this is why we teamed up with two other colleagues, Sandra Abdelbaki and Benjamin Hendricks, and we thought it would be interesting to shed light on this, especially from an accountability perspective, which we know is like one of the main functions of journalists in democracies. Especially if, as we had heard from some sources, suspected European bodyguards would have been involved into such practices. We thought it was very important that the European public would know of this, and also to see whether some European migration policies could actually also contribute to creating an environment for these sort of sexual abuses to happen. So in these two levels of accountability. Maybe I could tie it up to our project. I think one of the ways in which journalism contributes to society is to actually unearthing some of the problems that we might not be able to see in our everyday lives, but that are actually happening and that are important that they are addressed, so that then policymakers can reform, their policies to try to address such problems. So I think one of the basic functions of journalism is this sort of like raising a flag and saying there is a problem here, we should do something to change it, to actually get more democratic societies and more just societies. So I think this would be one of the functions.